Okay. Now next one is redox reaction in terms of electron. Just we say that redox reaction in terms of, in the previous lecture, in terms of atom. Now here reduction in terms of electron, it is defined as, gain or addition of electron. Gain or addition of electron is called as reduction. If the electron is added or if the electron is gained, it's called as reduction. Second, oxidation. Oxidation, it is defined as loss or removal of electron is called as oxidation. If the electron is loses or if the electron is removed, that is called oxidation. Okay. Then reducing agent. If those chemical species, it loses electron, called as reducing agent. Correct. And last it is oxidizing agents. It is completely opposite, means those chemical species it gain electron is called as oxidizing agents. मीन्स अगेन हियर सेम थिंग, जिसका रिडक्शन हो रहा है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. ओके. नाउ सपोज एग्जांपल सोडियम, here 281 is already you have to learn in class 11. Sodium atomic number is 11. It having 11 electrons. So in the 11 electron, one is placed in the third cell. So for completion of octet, what is happening here? Sodium it lose its own electron. So here sodium it lose electron. So therefore it carry one positive charge. Understood? So when the sodium it lose electron, it's called as oxidation. Now you know very well why they lose electron, because for completion of octet. Same thing for magnesium 282. Here is also 2 electron in outermost shell. So it will lose 2 electrons. So when it lose 2 electrons, so this it carry 2 plus charge. So that is 2,8. This is also oxidation. Corrected? Now another one, aluminium. Atomic number 13, electronic configuration 283. So when for completion of octet, aluminium it lose how many electron? 3. So it carry how many charge? Plus 3 charge. Okay. So when it lose electron, it's called as oxidation. Any doubt is there? After that, same thing, chlorine. atomic number is a 17, 287. So what is happening here? For completion of octet, how many electron is required? 1. So they easily gain electron. क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा, मतलब +1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन रिएक्टेंट साइड, एंड यू विल गेट Cl minus. Here chlorine, but after gaining electron it carry one negative charge, because electron it carry negative charge. If it added, so definitely the negative charge is increased. If it loses, so positive charge is increased. Now it is a reduction. You know how is it reduction? Because it is a gain of electron. Same thing for, suppose sulfur 286, atomic number is 16. For completion of octet, it required 2 electrons and it having S2 minus. So this is also reduction. Same thing for oxygen 2, 6, because atomic number is here 8. It again gain 2 electrons and to form O2 minus. So this is chloride, this is sulfide, and this is oxide. Reduction. Okay. Now listen carefully. अभी generally remember the metal are always oxidized. You know the metal and non-metal terms. Metal having tendency to lose electron for completion of octet, and when it having tendency to lose electron, that is called oxidation. And non-metals are always gain electron for completion of octet, therefore they are easily reduced. Understood? So metals are oxidized and non-metals are reduced. Then now we take one examples. Here sodium plus chlorine to get sodium chlorides. Listen, now is it redox? Now आप बोलेंगे सर इसमें ना neither it is hydrogen nor it is oxygen, so how it will be the redox? But remember this term. Which one? In terms of electron. Now you know this sodium chloride, sodium carries +1 charge, chlorine carries -1 charge. Is it clear? And in elemental state they neither carry positive nor carry negative. क्योंकि जब सोडियम हमने लिया है, here it is a 0 charge, मतलब no charge is there, because atom is electrically neutral. Atom is electrically neutral means having the same number of proton and same number of electron. But ions having some charge. If it is a positive charge, name as cation. If it is a negative charge, name as anion. We already studied in the class 9. Okay, and on the basis of number of charge, we have to say that it is a monovalent cation, bivalent cation, trivalent cation, etc. etc. Is it clear, the terms? So sodium plus chlorine to get sodium chloride. Now remember here 0 convert into +1. अब इस पे क्या हुआ है? सोडियम का +1 कन्वर्शन हुआ, मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन takes place. That is say that loss of electron. Now loss of electron name as oxidation. Correct it is? And fluorine, just remember here fluorine क्या किया? फ्लोरीन ने इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किया. यहाँ पे चार्ज 0 था, but when it gain 1 electron it carry 1 negative charge, that is reduction. So it name as, it is the gain of electron, hence it is reduction. Understood? Now remember, दो those chemical species it loses electron is called as reducing agent. किसका इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हुआ? सोडियम का. So sodium it act as a reducing agent, and chlorine it gain of electron. Those species it gain electron. It called as oxidizing agent. So chlorine it act as a oxidizing agent. Understood? So this is a reduction as well as oxidation. Both are takes place in this reaction. Hence it is a redox reaction. But actually we have to say that देखा जाए तो ये क्या लगता है आपको? कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन लग रहा है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ एटम के बारे में अगर सोचेंगे हम तो इट नाइदर हैविंग ऑक्सीजन नॉर हैविंग हाइड्रोजन, सो हाउ इट विल बी अ रेडॉक्स. अंडरस्टूड? बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन you have to easily identify which chemical species is lose electron, which chemical species it gain electron, and you know very well metal are always lose electron for completion of octet, and non-metals are always gain electron for completion of octet. Hence it will be a reduction and oxidation, both are fixed. Now we take another example. Suppose magnesium, here magnesium plus oxygen to get magnesium oxides. Now just इसके पहले हमने क्या देखा था? ये सिंपल ऑक्सीडेशन है क्योंकि इसमें क्या हो रहा है? एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. बट अगर इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन की बात करेंगे, इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो हियर इट इज magnesium it carry 2 plus charge in the magnesium oxide, and oxygen it carry minus 2 charge. Here already we write how it carry 2 plus, because we losing 2 electrons. 1 electron it carry 1 negative charge. So जब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएंगे मतलब 2 नेगेटिव चार्ज कम हो जाएंगे. Understood? Means the magnesium जो है it having initially here it is 12 proton and 12 electron. Therefore overall charge will be, overall charge क्या रहेगा उसमें? 0. But Mg2 plus जो है उसमें प्रोटॉन तो उतने ही है, because proton place inside the nucleus. Only the electron is removed. How many electron is removed? 2. Means how many is remain? 10. So plus 12 minus 10 is equal to plus 2. Therefore it carry plus 2. Same thing for aluminium, same thing for sodium. Now remember here magnesium क्या कर रहा है? 0 convert into plus 2. मतलब क्या हुआ? Loss of electron. Correct? It is loss of electron, that name as a oxidation. Correct? And oxygen it is gain of electron, that is a reduction. Understood? So magnesium it act as reducing agent because it oxidize, and oxygen it act as a oxidizing agent. Understood? So this is a very simple concept. इसके लिए हम लोगों को एटॉमिक नंबर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस, these terms are very essential. Understood? Very important. So if you know the atomic number, if you know the electronic configuration, then you easily identify which one is oxidized and which one is reduced, because those it having the valence electron are 1, 2 or 3, they are easily lose. They are easily lose the electron, and hence it will be a oxidized. But if it having a valence electron are 5, 6, 7, then they easily gain electron for completion of state. And therefore it is a very simple concept is the reduction and oxidation both are takes place in the same chemical reaction is called as redox reactions. Any difficulty will be there? Any difficulty? Okay, so please note down this. Okay, thank you.